How to delete search history on YouTube. So hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. We are going to discuss today how we can delete our search history on YouTube, so make sure to stick with me till the end. So whenever you open the YouTube app, sometimes you might find the search icon here, and if you have searched for something, you might find lots of your search history which you might don't want to see at all. Now one thing you can do is, if you don't like only one search history, you can long press on that particular search history, tap on the remove option to go ahead and remove those search history. But of course this is going to take a lot of time for you all. So in order to delete all of our search history, tap the profile icon from the bottom right. Once you come to your profile icon, tap the gear icon from the top right hand side and go to the option called manage all history. And from here, just make sure to select your Google account here. And after you select your Google account, again you're going to see this type of interface where you'll find history. You'll find all the search history over here. You can see search for this and that type of stuff. So all you gotta do is tap the delete option, tap on delete all time, and then just tap on the delete option, and all of your search history will get successfully deleted. Next time if you open the YouTube app and tap the search box, you will see that there is no any search history. So this way you should be able to delete your search history on YouTube. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.